Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
May study for our prayers. Catherine, please read the prayer.
Amen. Amen.
Now, before this, please speak those standard prayers from your ears and different prayers also. You may now take your seat. Lauren, is there any absent today?
None, teacher.
That's nice to hear that all of you are present today. Now, inside our classroom, there are rules that we need to follow. What are they? Please read, Catherine.
Be on time.
And the next one? Angel.
Listen attentively.
And the next one? Bernadette.
Raise your hand when you are to speak.
That's right. And the last one? Mary, please.
Keep your classroom clean.
Very good. Are we clear with the classroom rules, kids?
Yes, teacher.
That's right. And so how many here still remember our previous lesson? Yes, Catherine. What? The elements of the poem. Very good. And what those elements? Yes, Bernadette. What else? Yes, Lauren.
Rhymes, teacher.
Very good. What else? Another? Yes, Marty. Okay, very good. I'm glad that we still remember our previous lesson. Now I will show you a picture and all you need to do is to describe what you see in the picture. Understand it?
Yes, teacher.
What do you see in this picture?
Kids,
Please be reminded of our classroom rules. Raise your right hand when you want to speak. Yes, Ria.
two kids, teacher, and a prayer.
Very good. What else? Anything else?
Angel. Yung isang teacher na nandun sa taas ng puno.
Very good.
Teacher,
Yes, what else? Bernadette?
real boy who's sleeping.
Yes, that's right. And based on this picture, what is the face expression of the boy in the tree?
Here, teacher, here.
Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Yes, Marion.
Boy is scared and then
Very good, Marion. The boy in the tree is look sad and what is scared? Okay, very good. Very good. This because all of your answers describe the story that is from the picture. And based on this picture, what do you think is the type of story that we are going to read today? Do you have any idea? Anyone? Yes, Marius.
the bird and the chickens.
Yes, that's right. It could be the story about two friends, but before we start to read this story, let's first look at the meaning, the unfamiliar words that we are going to read, and now we're by reading that story. I will read to you the and direction. Match the meaning of the word in column A, those in column B. Who wants to try the first one? Anyone? Next.
Sorry.
Yes.
Then is think. Is it teacher? Think. No.
Yes, you're right. Yes. Very good.
What do you like teacher? Yes.
The second one is like it starts. And the third one.
Correct, teacher?
Yes, you're also correct, Sarah. And the third one is Ezriel. Here I will. Yes, please read my word. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to re-identify the story elements, character settings, that is theme, beat, and action scenario, supplying the plot of the story, the bear and the children. They can express as a conversation of the important topic. Okay, thank you, my word. I will read again. Okay. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to identify the story elements, character, setting, plot, and the theme. Second, can a scenario supplying the plot of the story, the bear and the friends. And thus, can express an application of the importance of friends. Okay, class. Now we will continue our discussion. I have the story here and the title is The Bird and the Children. I will read it first. And after that, you will read together. Understood, class? Yes, teacher. Okay. But before that, I need you to listen carefully. Okay. The Bird and the Children by Ahmed Haita. Once upon a time in the forest then, with tall trees and shadowed by the big cactus, there lived two friends, Sam and Ben. They were inseparable, always exploring the woods and climbing trees. One summer day, Sam and Ben decided to go for a walk through the forest. I'm so excited, said Sam. I have heard a beautiful meadow with wildflowers and butterflies not far from here. As they entered the forest, Sam said, I'm getting a little scared. What if you get lost? Ben replied, don't worry, we'll sleep together. If one of us gets into trouble, the other will play and help. Sam nodded. Okay, I promise you can count on me too. After a while, they heard a rustling sound. What's that? Whispered Sam. I don't know, but it sounds big, said Ben. Suddenly, a large, dark figure appeared. Oh no, it's a bird, cried Sam. Run! Ben climbed up a tall tree, but Sam didn't know how to climb. Help me, Sam cried, but Ben just shook his head. Sam lay down on the ground and felt his breath, pretending to be dead. The bird came close, sniffed, and then left. After the bird left, Ben climbed down from the tree. Are you okay? He asked Sam. Yeah, I'm fine, said Sam. But what's so close? What did the bird say to you? Ben, Ben asked. Sam thought for a moment and then said, he told me to be worried of a friend. Or okay, alright? Let's read all together. Together and the friends by Ahmed Khalifa. Once upon a time in the forest there lived tall trees and shadowed by their thick canopies. There lived two friends, Sam and Ben. They were inseparable, always exploring the woods and climbing trees. One summer day,
If one of us gets in trouble, the other will stay and help. Sam nodded. Okay, I promise. You can count on me too. After a while, they heard a rustling sound. What's that? Missy first son. I don't know, but it sounds sweet, said Ben. Suddenly, a dark figure appeared. Oh no, it's a bear! Cried Sam. Run! Ben climbed up a tall tree, but Sam didn't know how to climb. Help me! Sam cried. But Ben just shook his head. Sam lay down on the ground and held his breath, pretending to be dead. The bear came close, sniffled and then left. After the bear, Ben climbed down from the tree. Are you okay? He asked Sam. Yeah, I'm fine, said Sam. That was close. What did the bear say to you? Ben asked. Sam thought for a moment and then said, it told me to be wary of fake friends. Oh, did you really understand the story, class? Yes, teacher. Based on this story, what is our lesson for today? Oh, the bear and the movement. Yes, the bird and the movement. The story ends its element. Who among you know the first element of the story? Yes, character teacher. Very good, character. And who among you has an idea what this character means? Anyone? Yes, for a character is the one who offers. Very good. Wow, nice. Very nice. The character means the people or animals that take part in the story. Or the who are the one who act in the story. But in this story, who is the character? Yes, Katrina, Shakir, and the two friends. The bird and the children. What's the name of the children? Yes, Marinor. Sam and Ben. Very good. Sam and Ben. And the second one? What is the next element of the story? Yes, Angel. Setting teacher. Setting. And what does the setting mean? Anyone? Yes, Abby. The climate place where the story happens. Very good. Setting is the time and place where the story happens. Or setting is pictures build the background or create images in our mind. In this story, what is the setting of the story? Yes, Priya. Once upon a time, in the forest there were donkeys, shallow, and bear deep inhabitants. Very good, Priya. Once upon a time in the forest there lived tall trees. Yes, Anna. One summer day, that is also the setting one summer day. The third one, what is the element of the story? Any Very good. Describe the series of events that make up the story, or the author arrange how arrange the event to develop the main idea. In this story, where is the beginning? Like the plot three subtopics. These are the beginning, middle, and the ending. The beginning is tell how the story started, and the middle tell how the problem or the detail, and the ending is tell how the story end or the story end success. In this story, I want you to discover where is the middle in this story. I point the beginning. I want you to come in front and you may consider the first simplify the beginning of this story. Anyone? Beginning teacher? Yes. I will try later. Okay, you may go now. You can have a I will answer the teacher. Yeah. Beginning. Okay, the beginning of the story is a once upon a time when Hortense with Valkyries and shadowed by the big countries. There lived two friends, Sam and Ben. They were inseparable, always exploring the woods and climbing trees. And what is the beginning? I'm sorry, what is the middle? You can correct it. Come in front. Any volunteer come in front and circle the middle of this story. Okay. Teacher Sarah. Sarah will do it. Okay, Anna, come in front. I will try to. And the last is the ending. Yes, correct. After the third and the last one, what is this? The element of the story. Clear pictures, Anna. Very good. And what the means of deep or moral? Yes, Papa. Very good. The underlying message, lesson or moral in the story. In this story, what is the lesson that you can learn from this? In this
We promise something very much coming to that.
Yeah, very good. Sometimes our true friends abandon us if their situation or life is danger. Did you understand the story class? Oh, you look all sleepy. I want you to stand up and shake your body. Then five and just 5 times. These are the three cards. Go, go, go. Shake your body and jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, if you really understand our story, I have the three charts here. And what is the title of our story again? The Bear and the Two Friends. Can you volunteer to come in front and write the title of the story? Where do we write it? You can. The next one. Yes. The next one. What are the characters in the story? Yes. Darren. And the setting. They want to write. Yes. Bernadette.
Anak na ba yun? Alas, labit. Anong tigdan? Ginigibig. Kinabig na.
Di ba yung bidagay?
Noon?
I have one question. How can you express appreciation of the importance of friendship and teamwork? Yes, Anna Friedel. Teacher, we need to treat that our friends are very important. We need to embrace them. And we need to help them in every possible way. And that we should not let them out. Very good. And is the story and basketball. Yes, teacher. Why Anakara? Because some find out what kind of where he is, what kind of friend he is. Very good. The true friend is one who stands by the value. You have received even in danger. Very good. You don't abandon him or instead you help him to okay.
Well done, class. I hope since you already understand our lesson, you will have a group work. And I have here a box containing two pictures, a bear and a boy. all you have to do is to pick one picture from this box, and the picture that you pick will determine your group. And while passing this box, please sing a song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. That one.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All above earth so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
You got the picture of the bear? Okay, please proceed inside.
And me.
And the big boy is taking Next are
Ang scenario, our friends cover each other,
and the big boy is
identify the child story that we read.
okay, that's right.
Something else. Something else.
Are you done, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so go to your seat, then please settle down.
Settle down.
And now, teachers, we're getting to okay, please sit down, find your place, and please settle down. And now, please bring up your, please bring one slip of paper and answer please. To write down the words to complete this statement. Are you done, kids? And please bring your assignment notebook and copy your assignment to the class next week. First assignment, write a story using the three story elements, characters, and event entities. Second assignment, read about three stories in man. Now,